I invite you now to get still with me. Find a comfortable place to sit, whether sitting upright in a chair or on a couch. If you need to support your back by putting a pillow behind you, please do that. And let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. And as we exhale, just feel your body relaxing and letting go. And send the message to the muscles in your body. Relax and let go. Beginning at your feet, relax and let go. And try to feel your body responding. I believe when you really bring your awareness to your muscles, you can sense the relaxation taking place. Becoming aware of your calves, your thighs. Relax and let go. Let your abdomen and stomach relax. Allow your arms and shoulders and hands to all relax. Relax the muscles in your chest and in your back. Relax and let go. Relax the muscles in your neck, the front and the back, and the sides. Relax your cheeks, your eyes, your nose, your ears, your whole face, your lips, your tongue, your forehead, and your scalp. All relaxing and letting go. And now scanning your body, and notice, is there still any place that is a little tense? You might want to just gently tense and relax that part of your body. Good. Relax and let go. The deepest yearning of our soul, I believe, is to experience inner peace, inner joy, inner love. We all long for that. It's just that we've been conditioned to look outside for it. Trying to find somebody to love us. Trying to find a job or something that's going to give us security we want. And ultimately, although those things are wonderful, ultimately, our soul longs to know it from within. And this is a time to become still and quiet and to experience our true nature, our true essence as an expression of God. We are like waves in the ocean of spirit. And at the center of our being, there is a wellspring of peace, a wellspring of joy, a wellspring of love. And as our mind becomes quiet and still, our heart opens up to the truth of who we are, the image of God in which we're created. God spoke through the psalmist in the Old Testament saying, "Be still and know that I am God." Mother Teresa used to say that God is in the stillness. You can look at the trees and look in nature, and there's a stillness in the growing of the tree. We tune in now to the stillness at the center of our being. I invite you to Facilitate that stillness by observing the flow of your breathing. And as your breath flows in, mentally think the words, God is. And as you exhale, think the words, I am. God is on the inhalation. I am on the exhalation. And when your mind wanders, which it will, just keep bringing it back to your breathing and to the words, God is, I am. This is a spiritual practice, a very powerful one. And let's do this for a minute or so. Just watching the breath, mentally thinking, God is on the inhalation, I am on the exhalation. And now take a nice, long, deep breath and just be with yourself. Notice what you might be feeling in your heart and just be present to it. God is, I am. I am a spiritual being. I am. That's who I am. It's not the labels. It's not my position. It's not my job. It's not my sex. It's not my race. It's not my nationality. Who I am is I am. That's my true nature, pure consciousness, free from the labels, free from the judgments. I am being me. I am light, radiating as me. I am love and joy and peace, all that Spirit is. And I let my light shine now. I let all that God is expressing and radiating through and as me, I allow it to happen. I let it happen. And I know and trust that my friends and family are all uplifted in this consciousness. And I know and trust that all people everywhere are uplifted. May every soul on the planet, every person on the planet, experience their divinity, experience their true nature, their true essence. May every person awaken to who they are, their true I amness, their God nature, their divinity. This is our prayer. This is our awareness. And we let it unfold. We let it express. And we move into the rest of our day, trusting that this activity is unfolding and expressing in our thoughts, our feelings, our words, our behaviors. And when we get out of tune with that, we just make the effort. We notice when we're out of tune, and we make the effort to get back in tune. No condemnation, no judgment. Just let me get back where I was after the meditation that I had earlier today. Or, in fact, it can be helpful to think back to a meditation you had to recapture that feeling, that sense of peace and poise and calm and joy and love and light. We bring our awareness now back to the room, back to our body, wiggling toes and fingers, and just feeling grateful for this time together, knowing that we are joining people all over the world and knowing the truth of our spiritual unity, our spiritual oneness with Source, with Spirit, with God. And so it is. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.